Hello guys, welcome to our channel Addend Analytics, Microsoft Gold Partner. My name is Weber and I'm working as a senior data analyst at Addend Analytics. We are launching Power Query tutorial series. So if you are struggling with messy data and spending too much time to cleaning it manually, this tutorial is for you. Power Query help you automate data transformation and saving your times and efforts. So by end of the video you will gain confidence in Power Query, so don't skip any part and watch till your end. So first we will understand what is the Power Query. Power Query is a data transformation and preparation tool in the Power BI, Excel and other Microsoft products. It allows you to connect different data sources like Excel, database, websites, APIs, clouds and many more. It cleans the messy data by fixing formatting issues, handling errors, removing duplicates values and many more. It also transforms the structured format for easy analysis. It automates the repetitive data cleaning task, so you don't have to do it manually. So basically Power Query is a smart assistant that help you to organize the data before using it into reports. So what are the key benefits of the Power Query? First, it is save times. So whenever you are automating data cleaning instead of doing all this manually. So second is no coding required. By just click and apply transformations, you remove duplicates values or other transformations you can do, so there is no coding required. Third is connect to many data source, so you can pull the data source from the various data sources, uh, as of I mentioned, Excel, database, websites and cloud. Makes the data clean and usable, so it fixing the formatting, removing errors and combining the table easily. Fourth, fifth is work with the Power BI and Excel, so it also helps to create a faster and more efficient reports. So in this tutorial we are going to step by step through these Power BI essential transformations. So first is the duplicate and reference. By understanding the difference between duplicate and referencing query, then trim, it will be removes the extra spaces from the text values. Append, by combining the multiple tables into the one. Merge and combine demo, so it will be merging the different database based on the common fields. Group by, summarizing database on the specific columns. Split columns, so dividing the column into the multiple columns. Conditional columns, create a new column based on the conditions, like the if statement we can create the conditional columns. Also replacing values, replacing incorrect or the missing values. Convert to the date function, so formatting the data into the date format. Unpivot the column, converting the column into the rows for the better analysis. Removing duplicates, eliminating duplicate records. Manage parameter, creating flexible and queries using the parameters. Query folding, so last is query folding, optimizing queries for the better performance. These are the basic transformations we are going to see in the Power Query video tutorials. So this will be help you to clean, organize and prepare your data efficiently in the Power BI. So let's understand how can we fetch the data into the Power Query. So basically first I will click on get data. There are several options here, so I have CSV file with me, so I click on the CSV data file. Then I have sample employee data set, so I click on the open. So it's loading. A window pop-up comes up, it will be shows the sample data for 200 rows. There are three buttons at the right end. It will be shows load, transform data and the column, sorry, cancel. So load will be directly loads the data into the Power BI. Transform data, by clicking on transform data it open the Power Query editor for transformation. And cancel can be cancels the total process. So I click on the transform data and opens into the Power Query tutorial. So this is the preview of the Power Query. So these are the home bar, transform bar and add column. So these are the main three columns where all the transformations can be into it. So last fourth is view bar. View bar will be have shows the uh, let's customize that visible into the editor. So this is the formula bar, it will be shows the what formula we have applied into it. Then uh, this is the query setting pane. By appears on the right side and helps the manage the applied settings. So this is the query setting plan. It will be shows to what are the transformations we have applied. By just clicking on close button, we can remove the transformations easily, just I told earlier. And this is the column quality, column profiling sections where we understand the data in the proper manner. So at the bottom there is a setting called column based profiling, which will be based on the top 1000 rows. So since we have a small data set, so I will keep it in this way. But whenever you have larger data set, the profile based on the entire data sets for the better insights. So this is the introduction to Power Query. In the next video, we are going to go deeper into the Power Query transformations. So don't forget to like this video if you found it useful. Share with your friends or colleagues who need to learn Power Query. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss an upcoming tutorial update. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video.